guys, welcome to my channel. It's Kim here. Sorry for the lack of updates. I'm in the middle of a move. I moved across the country again. But I didn't forget about you guys. I actually filmed the whole moving process, at least as much as I could. A whole apartment tour will also be coming soon. Let me know down in the comment box if you're interested in seeing that, and I'll get to editing it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now. One of the things me and my fiance struggle with is finding out how to move our things safely across the US without too much effort. So we decided on a U-Box from U-Haul. It's basically a box made out of plywood that gets sent to you by U-Haul. You fill up the box with whatever you want and U-Haul takes it anywhere you want. We also shipped out a car across the US, but I'm not going to show you guys that because I don't want to show my stalkers.
So I pay $100 now, and then until they deliver it, then I pay the rest.
Hey guys, it's Kim here. Today I'll be showing you guys something I got in the mail today. It's a jewelry case organizer that is like meant for like traveling. When I'm traveling, my mom places like a huge importance on like keeping my jewelry safe, not throwing it inside like the checked bags or anything, but trying to keep it like on my carry-on item. And I wanted to make sure I had something that could hold it all together and not like spill out or anything. Something secure. So I actually ordered a jewelry case from Amazon, and it actually comes in pink. I'm gonna do the unboxing right now. And it comes in a nice little black box right here. I'm not really sure how to say the name. It's Exquisite maybe? Creations. Oh, and it comes in a really nice packaging. And it comes in this perfect shade of pink right here. And I love the zippers right here. They're like heart-shaped zippers. Wow, I love the inside. Oh, it comes with like these wipes. Are these like jewelry wipes by any chance? So there's like clear plastic baggies so you can see all your jewelry behind them. Oh, and this is for earrings too, I believe. I can't wait to fill up all my jewelry in this. It seems like the perfect size. If you're interested in this jewelry box, the link is down below. All my jewelry looks so pretty in here. My apartment is completely cleaned out now. All there is to do now is waiting outside for the shuttle to get here so it can take us to the airport with my ginormous boxes. And yes, I live in the forest. I'm finally going back home. One of the first things we ate was a fat bowl of pho with some deep fried breadsticks. And here's my boyfriend's bowl over there. What we didn't have back on the East Coast was an 85 degrees bakery, and I'm wondering why not, since there's like a bajillion locations on the West Coast.
You want choco bun? Ooh,
I think I'll get an egg tart. I want one with the fluffy crust, some garlic bread. They have some cranberry cream cheese bread, chocolate bread, green tea bread.
Ooh,
a lot of new things I've never seen before since it's been a while since
milk
I've been here.
buns, matcha choco buns.
Oh, I missed having these taro breads. I actually made these once. If you'd like to see, the link will be down below in the description box. It's actually really time consuming making these, so it's nice to just pick up one here.
Okay, stop.
My favorite item is probably one of these milk pudding buns, which I've also made before. It's a soft and fluffy bun with cream filling. I love everything with filling.
Let's grab like two. Mango.
Ooh, mango tail. I'll have to try that next time. This piece of bread thing is actually pretty amazing. I need to buy like 7 more of these next time.
That one, I guess.
I bought a little extra for my parents.
Coffee.
So this isn't all for myself. Look at all these yummy cakes. I want one, but I feel like I bought enough sweets already. Why can't these cakes be placed in the front? We also grabbed 2 caramel sea salt coffees. They're so yummy.
Please make me stir my own drinks.
Time to tear open some milk pudding bread. Everything made it safely in the U-box. It took about 16 days to get here. Nothing looked like they'd moved around at all, and nothing broke. I totally recommend it to those of you who are looking to lessen the stress of moving. It's a little pricey though. Now that the crazy move is over, I'm just gonna go relax, grab some boba, admire my ring, and eat some good food. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Be sure to watch my previous video. Follow me on all my social media sites. Be sure to visit the links down below, and bye!